Setting up an RV when you go out on the road for the first time is really expensive, and we've found that out.
Yeah, John spent a lot of money, but he says he saved $800. I don't know about that.
Well, Prime Day came and gone, and we've got a haul and we're going to show you what it is. And I'm John.
I'm Christina.
And we are the Slocums. And we're going to show you the truths, trails, and tribulations as we try RV life. Okay, so this is the first item. Christina hasn't seen it, and it is
Ta-da!
a Redodo.
12.8 volt, 200 AH plus.
And the AH stands for amp hours. Now our rig came with a solar setup on it already, so we're gonna go ahead and put this 200 amp hour Redodo battery in place. We've been told these are really good. We trust the people who told us. This battery, we saved $147 on this battery alone.
That's pretty good. 147.
The next item that we bought are 6 of these eco-worthy solar panels. We're not gonna open one right now, but we got 6 of them. We saved $270 on Amazon Prime Day. What do you think of that?
$270? That's nice.
And that's
each or all together?
All together, $270. So that's adding up pretty quick, isn't it? So the next item we have is from Vever. I've seen a lot of people out working on their rigs with these bottle jacks, and kind of dangerous, don't you think?
Yeah, not very.
So what I bought is a 2.5 ton floor jack. This floor jack's gonna be very easy. Yeah, it's not coming out. This is gonna be a great item for when we have to do tires or bearings or anything we have to do underneath the rig or the truck. We saved $10 on this one.
Okay, so this is gonna jack up the rig if you have to do any tire work or...
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, we saw a video on somebody that was doing something kind of dangerous. So this is gonna be a lot safer.
Okay, pull something out. It's Christmas. Careful. I'm gonna tell you right now on this one, be careful.
This is also from Vever.
Don't dig in deep.
Don't dig in.
Don't dig in deep. Just cut the tape, don't dig in deep. All right, our next item, we'll see if Christina can identify it when I open it. You got any clue?
Is that the bladder?
That is our freshwater bladder. This is a 142-gallon freshwater bladder, and this bladder, we saved $15 on that.
This will be for extra fresh water for drinking?
Yeah, when we're boondocking, we have to go into town or whatever to get water. That'll be how we do it. This is only half. I have to buy the black one yet.
Okay.
For the black tank.
Oh, this one's light. They've all been pretty heavy. This one's pretty light.
I don't even know what's in this one. Oh, I know what's in this one.
The most important thing.
Poopy tube.
The Rhino.
This is a 20-foot Rhino Extreme black tank hose. It's supposedly gonna last years longer than the cheap ones. On this one, we saved $33.
Not too shabby. Because everybody's gotta go, right?
Everybody's gotta go. Next item. This is one you wanted.
I did?
Pull it off. This.
I don't know what it is, but I wanted it. Oh, water filtration?
This item here, we saved $60 on the item, but looking at some of the other ones people have bought, looking at the reviews of this one, this item here, we saved, if you want to take it off of the high-end one, we saved over $300 on this.
And the name is Glacier Fresh. We didn't
Glacier
say that.
Fresh.
Glacier Fresh RV water filtration system. This little one?
You can do the little one. What'd we get? What'd we get? Like Christmas.
Nothing.
Well, what is it? Show it to the camera.
Roof sealant.
This is a 2-pack of RV roof sealant. You gotta have this. If you're gonna be on the road, $6 we saved. This one is opened. This is a caulking gun that goes with the sealant. The sealant goes in the tube. This item here, we saved a massive, huge $3. This is a multi-box. We're gonna have fun with this one. First item, This is a Zayden macerator pump. This is for pumping the water out of the black tank into the black bladder. The macerator pump, we saved $20 on that. What you got?
Oh, the waggle.
Well, who's that for?
Mr. Mojo, where are you, Mojo? There he is, Mr.
And
Mojo.
Mr. Mojo appears out of nowhere. This is for Mojo. What this is a temperature sensor that you put in your rig, and it hooks up to an app on your phone. If there's a problem with your RV air conditioning, or if the temperature goes up, if something happens, the waggle will notify you. You'll be able to get back as quickly as possible or be able to get help for your animal. Highly recommended. And we saved $40 on that.
Because dog lives matter.
All right, the next one's another Christina item.
Oh, the vacuum storage bags. I didn't even know you got this.
We're saving $15 on that set on Amazon Prime Day. What you got next?
Next I have is a Govee Life, which I have no idea what that is.
This is the Govee water leak detector with Wi-Fi, and some water starts to leak. We have the ability to know that the water's there. Go off, it'll make a loud noise, but it'll also notify us via app if there's a water leak.
System.
We saw a very highly respected RV influencers who didn't have a system like that, and they made a mess. This Govee smart water detector, we saved $15.
And last but not least out of this, we've got the
Liquefied tank treatment. They were on sale that day for 50% off, saved $13.
Oh yes, I can't wait to use this. Get a fresh, clean RV going with this.
You ain't kidding. This is really cool. It's a battery operated spinning brush with a long handle that you can get way up high.
Extension pole. Saved $24 on the Jordan spinning brush. Woohoo!
It's the Rain Point water flow valve. This will tell us how much water is going into our tanks so we don't overflow our tanks. Yeah.
That was $5 saver. Next up, we've got a power-built seal puller, which I have no idea what that is.
Very simple little tool, but we saved $2.
$2, $2.
$2. Guess what?
What?
Last box.
It's the last one already?
The last one already. If you're getting value from this video and you want to find out more about these, there'll be links in our Amazon store for each and every one of these items. And don't forget to subscribe, because we're going to bring you more truth, trials, and tribulations of Try RV Life. Now on to the last box.
The Water Bandit.
Okay, so I'm sure some of you have gone into RV parks and the threads on the water spigot to hook to your freshwater tank are just bad. This is a Water Bandit. It goes on, it clamps onto the water spigot and gives you nice fresh threads. The Water Bandit, we saved
$2.
$2. Everybody needs one of these in their rig. Turn it around, turn it around, turn it around, all the way around. There we go, 140 piece fuse set. That fuse set we saved $7. 140 pieces.
This will fit any fuses?
It'll fit most all fuses on the truck and the trailer.
Oh, nice, okay. I think these are all together.
These are all together. These kind of go with this. Renogy solar panel hardware kits. We saved, with the 3 kits, we saved a total of $18.
Next up here is a toilet brush. My favorite, right, John?
Yes. So you got to have a toilet brush specific to your RV. That one we saved $6.
Does it come with a holder?
Yep, comes with a holder.
Metal garden hose splitter.
With the splitter, you put that on before you put your hose to it, and it gives you the ability to use your hose going into your RV, and then you have a hose you can wash things or anytime you need water outside.
ThermoPro.
Infrared thermometer. Yep, the infrared thermometer, you use those to, every time you stop, you check your hubs of your trailer to make sure they're not hot. That way you know you're not going to have overheating and blow out some tires from the bearings going bad. And you also use it to, if you're having air conditioning problems, you can tell how much the air temperature is coming out. Just a really handy item. We saved
$9.
Down to 3 left.
I'm obviously not good at opening boxes.
This you have to have. And what that is a water pressure regulator, because all RV parks don't have the same water pressure. Some have real high, some have real low. This will regulate your water pressure. We saved $5.
Because all water pressure is not created equal. see if I can do this one myself. I did it!
Now,
Woo!
take a wild guess what those are. It's a tool.
Turn something. Oh!
Just in case
There!
your connections get stuck, the tool will help you open them. Very inexpensive tool. We saved $2, but that $2 will be a massive amount of money if we're stuck in an RV park and can't get our black tank tube off.
$1 each.
Now, last but not least, this is something that you have to have, and it has to be RV specific. And this one we got a really great deal on. This is the Garmin 795 RV cam. This is a refreshed unit. Now, what refreshed units mean?
Refurbished?
Refreshed, refurbished, refreshed.
Refurbished.
Anytime someone sends something back to Garmin, Garmin will test it, whether it is sent back as a return or sent back and something's not working right. They check it. If it's just sent back as a return, they sell them as refurbished. They're great. I would trust them 100% with the refurbished. On Prime Day, this Garmin RV 795, RV specific, we saved $150 on Prime Day on this RV 795. But we saved $260 over the price of a brand new one.
For a refurbished. The best for last and the most important for last.
That's it for our RV haul. We saved well over $800, do the math. If you liked that video, check out this one right here. It'll tell you all about our adventures of getting an RV, or this one right here. It'll tell you all about the adventures of getting our truck. I'm John.
I'm Christina.
And we're about to try RV life.